going, and we are actually going good. Those chopper modifications really help. We're doing a nice job spreading chaff. When we get into the tougher areas, it doesn't chop it up quite as nice, but so far I'm happy with everything, and they're actually a lot drier than what I thought they was going to be. So we got to stop up here. There's a spring for the stone trap that come off. We got to hook that back up, and then we should be good to run for a while. We actually had the sun come out when we got started, and everything's running good now. Got quite a view from up here on top of the hill at the home farm. Combine's running good, and DJ, he's down there mowing field edges. We're not running real hard right now because we can't haul the beans anywhere now. It's after hours. We're just trying to maybe fill the grain cart, and we'll see how it's going. We might unload the cart into the truck and fill it again, but we'll just have to wait and see. We've just about got the grain cart full. We're gonna have to quit at this because get where the trees across the road are shading it. They're already starting to get a little harder to run through. So we got more done today than I was figuring, so we're gonna quit. I think DJ got some video from the grain cart from outside the combine. The beans here. We're running beans and we got cab corn. Does that count as a new accomplishment? Now, luckily we're set up where with our 25-foot head we can get it in the front of the shop. So since we're calling for a heavy dew and possibly frost tonight, we're gonna pull wood in so it doesn't mix with the dust on the window and make my windows a mess. And we gotta pull the 1586 and drill out. We might start planting wheat tomorrow. The drill is not 100% ready to go, but it is at least greased now.